Besides great interest rate returns, what are other benefits of hard money investing? Here are some of the primary benefits of hard money lending. First is safety. Your money is secured by a mortgage lien, which is further protected by a title insurance and hazard insurance policy. Let's say the house burns down, you get paid. Title problem, you get paid. Also, the amount borrowed will never be more than 65% of the quick sale value of the property. This leaves a lot of equity in the property as a safety cushion in the event of a default. For centuries, real estate has been an investment, so this being an attractive feature for investors wherein real estate is being put as collateral. Stocks and bonds stumble all over the place and are controlled by some faceless expert. You can never really touch your investment. There is an inherent sense of stability people relate to intangible assets such as lands and buildings. Of course, the values fluctuate, but not as wildly as stocks and bonds. Thus, there is less risk of losing your principal investment. Next thing is, people who are managing this hard money portfolio are professionals. They are licensed. The principals of these companies are seasoned real estate professionals and only use other real estate professionals as third-party vendors when conducting their transaction. This adds another layer of safety and security for the investor. This can be a completely passive hands-off investment, leaving more quality time for you and your enjoyment. You leave the particulars of underwriting, closing, servicing of the loan to the professionals who've been doing hard money loans. With this type of investment, you don't have to worry about midnight calls from tenants. If your stock portfolio will crash the next day, you'll also be able to monitor your real estate investments online 24/7 on your portal if you really want to watch your money grow. The eighth wonder of the world, which is compounding, is also built into it. Many standard investments such as high yield CDs compound one time per year. Our hard money model allows us to compound investor money sometimes up to 3 times per year, thus dramatically increasing investor ROI. Next is the flexibility. You can choose when to invest and how much to invest. Lastly, it's fun. People like the idea of being a bank, which in essence is what you're doing. Why not make a fortune in real estate lending like banks do if you have the resources available to do it? This is easy to understand. You don't need a PhD in puts, calls, options, or all these charts that you have to do for stock market. This model is simple and it's predictable. Your returns are not dependent on the whims or the daily mood of the stock market. You get a already set interest rate and that's what you get. All these terms are determined at the time the loan is originated, so you don't have to monitor the charts of the daily news to know where you will be and how you will perform. This type of investing has been around longer than the stock market, longer than maybe the country itself, even longer than the paper currency. It's very common for people to lend money and get paid interest for the lent money. If you're interested in being a hard money lender, send me a message. I'll be happy to answer any questions that you might have.